What's up, my friends? Welcome to Pantry Prep. My name's Jake, and today we're going to be talking about the versatility of a Dutch oven. Now, I grew up using these. My dad is a fanatic, so we make all sorts of stuff in it, from cherry rhubarb pie to fried chicken to biscuits, just about anything. And today I'm up here hunting. My brother Ricky's going to be joining me in the next few hours, but I wanted to make a nice dish for when he gets here. I have this recipe for no-knead bread that's real easy to prepare. We just mix some dry ingredients in a Ziploc bag, and then when I'm up here on the mountain, I throw some water in. It takes 12 hours to rise, and then it's ready to be thrown in a Dutch oven and cooked into a big loaf of bread. So I'm gonna be making that, as well as a spinach artichoke dip to go with it. Let's see how it goes. All right, don't shape it yet. Gonna give it an hour to finish rising, and then we'll be good to go. Don't have any saran wrap with me, so I'm just gonna cover it with this bag. And to keep the temperature even, we got some pretty direct sunlight. I'm just gonna throw it in the cooler. Got this cooler for any meat that we get, but we'll just go ahead, put the bread in there for now. That'll keep it at a fairly even temperature for that next hour while it finishes rising. All right, let's see how this bread dough is looking. Looks like it might have risen a little bit, not a whole lot. All right, so now we're gonna shape it, toss it in the Dutch oven, and get it cooking. It does say that the Dutch oven needs to be warmed up, so got it in the fire, warming up now. Got the artisan cross cut in the top. Let's get this set in the cast iron. All right, let's see what we got here. Looking pretty good. Still sounds a little doughy. All right, we'll give it some more time. All right, let's see if that bread's done. Now, I threw a bunch of coals on top. Now, I was talking about the versatility of a Dutch oven. That bread wasn't quite finished on top, but on bottom, I'm sure it was totally done. So, I put some coals on top, hopefully help that top end finish cooking. So, let's pull this off. That's the sound we're looking for. All right. Probably not a great idea to set this on a plastic table, but let's see if we can be quick about it. Oh boy. A little crispy on bottom. Wrap this bad boy up so it doesn't cool too quickly. Come back and check on it. All right, moment of truth on this bread. Let's open this up, cut a slice. See how salvageable that is. A little tougher than most breads I've cut through. The inside looks pretty great. Maybe a tiny bit doughy, but I think this is going to go just fine with our dip. That should be enough slices to get us started. Wrap the rest of this up for now. Let's give it a taste test. That's some good bread. Definitely tastes charred if you get the bottom part, but you can totally just peel that off. Just fine. All right, let's see how this dip turned out. Pretty good. All right, Ricky should be here any minute. Let's get this set over with the bread, and we'll be able to greet him with a feast. All right, I can't wait. I gotta give this a try before he gets here. It's just as good as when we make it at home, but better given where we're at. Hey, look who's here. Just in time. As soon as dinner's ready, Rick shows up. Can always count on that. All right, Rick made it. Now we gotta try the dip. See if it passes Rick's test.
I can be pretty picky. There's a lot of green stuff in here.
It's a disguise.
Oh man, that is so good.
Mostly cheeses and sour cream, just a tiny bit of spinach in there to disguise it as a vegetable. Not so bad for being cooked on the mountain, right?
No, almost makes it better. No, it definitely makes it better.
Definitely makes it better. So we were able to cook the bread as well as the spinach artichoke dip right here on the mountain in one pot. How versatile can you get? Until next time, this has been Jake with Pantry Prep.